Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today you can see my face because one of my students told me why I can't see you on the video. So here it is. And today's topic is about idioms. We will discuss that after the intro. For the beginners, I am going to give you 10 idioms. But guess what? I will use colors so that it will be easy for you to understand. So, here we are. We're going to start now. Our first word is out of the blue. Blue. All right. When you talk about out of the blue, it means it comes without a warning. Okay, so I will give you an example. The rain comes out of the blue. Once again, repeat after me. Out of the blue. Our second idiom is green with envy. Once again, repeat after me. Green with envy. Green with envy, it means you are jealous of something. Best example for that is, I am green with envy when I saw your new car. Okay, that was two colors already, which is the blue and the green. Now let's go to the third color, which is gray area. Gray area, when you heard a native speaker saying gray area, it means it is unclear. Okay, so the best example for that is like example, the president of the company said that I will be the next president, but that is in gray area. It means not clear. The next color is green thumb. Green thumb means you can grow anything. Like you can grow vegetables, fruits, plants, anything. Okay, you know, my best example for you is my grandmother. She can grow anything because she has a green thumb. The next one is red and black. What is the red idioms? Caught red-handed. It means you steal something. Example of that, the boy was caught red-handed while stealing a candy bar in the shop. Once again, caught red-handed. Next one is black sheep. When you say black sheep, it means different from others. Actually, we often use this in a family members. Example, you have 3 siblings, okay? And the 2 have a good character and the other one is not good. So you can call that one member of the family as the black sheep. The next color is blue. Once in a blue moon. It means rarely, not commonly happen. You know what is the best example for that once in a blue moon? Okay, the lunar eclipse happens once in a blue moon. Moon and eclipse. The next color is red again. Take the red eye. Once you hear the word take the red eye, it means your flight is early in the morning. Arrive in the place where you're gonna go. Example, take the red eye from Vietnam to the Philippines. Next is pink. I like pink a little, okay? Tickled pink. Tickled, like that. Tickled pink, it means you are very pleased. Okay, an example of that is when you say that I am beautiful, I am tickled pink. It means I am so pleased, I am so happy that you tell that to me. And the last one for our 10 color idioms is white, which is white lie. It means so that you will not hurt somebody's feeling, you will tell a white lie. Example, I told Katie that her dress is beautiful. I told her a white lie. That means you really don't like the dress, but so that Katie's feeling will not be hurt, you told her a white lie. So that's the 10 colorful idioms. For all of you beginner learners, easy, right? So, one more time, repeat after me. Out of the blue. Second one, green with envy. Third one, gray area. The fourth one, caught red-handed. The fifth one, green thumb. Number 6, black sheep. Number 7, once in a blue moon. Number 8, take the red eye. Number 9, tickled pink. And number 10, white lie. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something new, which is the native speakers always use. Instead of saying, the normal English way, they are using these idioms. And please wait for other idioms lesson for you all. And thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.